Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Wanting to have a fluffy, beautiful, simple, yet super delicious cake? Maybe to serve for a party? Or as simple as your afternoon break? Or even for your dessert at home? Why don't you try making this fluffy marble cake? As you know, this dessert is so easy to make and so incredibly tasty. So why don't you stay tuned and let's get started! After we have all the ingredients that we need, now it's time to preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's separate the egg yolks and the egg whites into two separate bowls. We're going to beat the egg yolks and the first half of the sugar until thick and pale. Next, adding the pinch of salt into the egg yolks. When the egg yolks are already thickened and pale, next we're going to add in the milk, oil, and the flour and mix until everything well combined. It's time for the meringue. Again, to make the perfect meringue, make sure your whisks and bowl are free from any kind of fat. Add some drops of lemon juice and we're good to go. Once it's foamy, gradually start adding in the sugar. Once all the sugar is added, increase the speed and continue beating the egg whites until beautifully glossy and stiff peaks. Yes, exactly, like this. Beautifully glossy and stiff peaks meringue. Very gently fold in the meringue in 3 parts into the egg yolk batter. Mix all gently until smooth. Now the batter is ready, and we're going to separate the batters. The first half of the batter, we're going to sift in butterfly pea flour powder, and another half of the batter, we're sifting green tea powder. And mix all the batters until everything well combined. Oh, look how gorgeous they are! Using an 8-inch round baking pan, we're ready to pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spoon 2-3 tablespoons of the green tea batter into the center of the pan, then add in 2-3 tablespoons of the butterfly pea flour batter on the top. Gently mix and spread a little bit of the batter and repeat this step until all the batter has been used. Because we're going to bake the cake in a water bath and my baking pan is not a leak-proof pan, I'm going to seal the bottom of my pan with aluminum foil. Gently tap the batter to remove the bubbles. Then place the cake pan in a larger baking tray filled with room temperature water for water bath. Place the baking tray in the middle rack of the oven and bake for 80 to 90 minutes. When the cake is done, turn off the oven and leave the cake in the oven for at least 15 minutes, then take it out. Place the cake on the cooling rack and leave it there until completely cool. And ta-da! Finally, our fluffy, moist, yet super tasty marble cake is ready! The combination of the green and blue color that we've got from green tea powder and butterfly pea flour powder were successfully made this marble cake totally beautiful and divine. It is so fluffy and delicious and also worth to try. So guys, don't forget to try this recipe at home and see you next time. Bye!